Good morning. It is currently 6:50. I am sitting at a light to go to work, and I just figured that I would do a day in the life of a full-time college student, full-time working girl, plus small business owner. I do a lot during the day. I work, obviously, I do homework, I go to the gym, and I run my small business with my best friend. So I just thought it would be fun and unique to kind of see what I do in a day, not just for you guys, but for myself. So here's just a day in the life, a little montage of different things. I may pop in to say hi every now and again, just depending on how my day goes. We'll just kind of see. The plan today is I have work, and then I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby on my lunch break to pick up some stuff for my small business. And then I will head to the gym after work today, go drop some mail off because I'll have some stuff done for the small business today. We had 3 orders placed last night, and so I'm going to be working on those today, get those out. And then yeah, that's really all I have planned for today so far. So we'll see where life takes us. I'll show you guys what I'm doing and what I'm up to all day, but I just wanted to pop in and say happy Tuesday. Good morning, beautiful people, and I love you all, and I'm super excited to share my day with you. Hey guys, it is now currently 3:30 in the afternoon, and I just got done trying to go to Hobby Lobby to pick up some stuff. The reality of being a small business owner is that as soon as you get done with work, you're not really done, which is totally fine. It's what you sign up for. But I just went to 2 different stores to try and find some shirts that we need, and they're out of stock in all the places local to me. So I'm gonna have to go and buy some shirts online, which is totally fine. It just throws me off a little bit. And I was hoping to get them and send them out straight away, which is totally fine. They were only ordered yesterday. Which is totally fine because they were only ordered yesterday, so they have a 3 to 4 day turnaround time anyway, and our shirts will be here by then, and we'll have it all done, dusted, and sent off. But I just wanted to let you guys know kind of what I was doing, where I'm at. I just got done with my work day, went to Hobby Lobby, couldn't find what I needed. Gonna go home, do a couple more orders that I do have the products for, package those up, send them out, and then probably head out to the gym, and we'll see where the rest of the night takes us. I did some homework on my lunch break today. I did lots of paperwork, got lots of stuff done at work today. So it's been a really successful day so far, and we've still got a lot of the day to go. So let's see how we can keep killing it. Hey guys, I just got to the post office, and I have 2 packages with me to mail off tonight. So I'm about to go inside. I'm gonna scoop it in my mouth. Lady, guy, right there, staring at me. Let's go to the gym.